In front of me is Infinix Hot 20, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, after that, location is off. But you can always switch it on by clicking on the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section instead. Now manage location of this Infinix by tapping on this switcher next to Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!